What's up, Ark? Oh my God, Ark. How you drive like that? Oh, it's electronic guy. So my son Wally. Ark for a 2
Stay looking Thursday, ain't even Thursday. I'm rocking her mix.
Full over there. You know, I fixed the power steering in the car. He's saying he got an issue with it now. He don't know how to explain shit though, so let me get it. Let's see what I'm working with. I'm gonna drive it real quick. Oh shit. This is tight. The fuck? Man, alright. Look, I'm here. I'm in the, what is the 07 Hyundai Odyssey right here. We're gonna drive this joint. Brakes feel loose, but good. This shit is so close to the car behind me. There's no way in hell I can get out of here without hitting this guy. Oh, honestly, let's see. That boy's nice. Ooh. I get excited, y'all, when I can whip shit. I still might hit it though. Get it. I'm almost out of this little tight ass spot. Oh, I'm out. And I'm out. Let's see what my son talking about. I don't know what he talking about. This is what he talking about. Let's see what I talk about. Should drive good. My seatbelt's on. Oh, it's unclipped. I don't know what you're talking about. This should drive great. Try to speed. This should drive great. What is he talking about? So I'm talking about, son. It should just drove great for the last 2 blocks, and he's bitching. My son is bitching about nothing. It should drive great. It should drive better than my truck right now. I'm loving this shit. I ain't gonna front. Look. This shit driving good. What is he talking? This shit is good. So he complaining right now about nothing. I don't know what he's talking about. Power steering, left, right, sound great. Brakes is great. On is good. What else? Gas, acceleration, good. Throttle, good. Shit good. Go and find out what's wrong with Ock. Tell him this shit driving great. Being a little bitch. Stop and go traffic. Like right there. Boom. Broken brake light. Left one is broken, y'all. The cops don't pull him over or her over, I don't know. Right? That's how a broken brake light look right there. Left one don't work. So I drove the car around 2 or 3 blocks, 4 blocks, let's say, right? And it's driving great right now. I don't know what he's complaining about. He told me, he's like, yo, it's not driving good. I don't know what you're talking about, bro. This is driving great right now. No check engine light. If it's not broke, don't fix it. If it's not broke, don't try to fix it. You're good. Jimmy, my son Jimmy, I'm not gonna say what's up, waste his time right now, but my son Jimmy right there. Boom. Okay. I don't know what he's talking about. This shit driving great. He's sleeping, man. ask for nothing better than that. Put my hazards on real quick. Not sure. So I'm not sure what's the problem. My son is bugging out right now. My son's bugging. You don't know what he's talking about. Just want to feel important or some shit. Ain't nothing wrong with this joint. Ain't nothing wrong with this joint. So let's go and find out what's up with him and why he bitching for. Cause, alright. Find out. And that's how you do a quick check. Shit is running smooth. I don't know what you're talking about. My son Major Deli, my son Wally. What are you talking about, bro? What's the problem? No, I don't hear nothing. It's driving great. Well, when you turn? Yeah, that's your hood shit. But anyways, my son, the Wally, he always be worried about his car. He like, oh, every time I turn, you hear a little noise. I'm like, yo, bro, that shit tire rise. That ain't nothing big. That shit is small shit, you know? You deal with that shit in the summer. Nothing to worry about now. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate y'all.